This is Shadid Debnath. We are Group 8 today. We are excited to present our final project for CS47O, a web-based hospital management system, building using Python with Flask framework and Oracle SQL. So, first of all, I want to share my GitHub repository. I already created the GitHub repository, all of source code and all of this project actually. So if I show, see, this is our project repository. You can easily visit for sharing this link, and there is all information is given. So now back to my report. So each of us contributed to different aspect of this project for backend from backend integration to front-end design and database architecture. So the goal of our project to simplify hospital administration by digitalizing process like patient management, doctor schedule, room assignment, building, and so more. We aim to develop user-friendly and scalable system to ensure secure and reliable data operating using Oracle and backend. So technology uses actually we our system we built using following this technology, like in front end we use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Jinja 2. In backend we use Python with Flex framework, and database we use Oracle IDC and using CX Oracle for integration and so on. So for entity in our database, we use 6 entity like patient, doctor, department, room, apartment, and building. So here is our nice and beautiful ERD diagram. So if here is we cannot see clearly here. So if I show our picture of ERD diagram, you can see our beautiful ERD diagram: patient, doctor, apartment, building, department, and room. So if I go my report again, so in data schema, we use create table, um, uh, SQL table statement which primary key and the foreign key to enforce relationship integrity. Each relationship following relation real world hospital logic ensure data consistency and reliability. So uh, in our project, we share our SQL G8, which means group8.sql. There is all entity and relationship given in our SQL. So application modules. So we develop 7 main modules, each with a dedicated routes and templates like homepage, patient manage, uh, manage manage patient, doctor, edit and add and edit doctors in department, and hospital department, and room availability and appointment, doctor patients schedule and building and financial record. All those module include add, edit, delete, and view. Also some of our search also as well. So these are a graphical user interface. Uh, we can see this is our home page for and this is the room management chart, so on. So if I go bottom, you can see the, our nice beautiful graphical user interface. So how it's work actually? So you need to set up fast Oracle database and execute our SQL G8 .sql and install Python dependency. So if you use pip install dash r requirement.txt, which is all requirement are given in our requirement text. If I show our requirement text here, you can see all requirement are given here, flags and all of our, you need to we install all of this requirement using this command, and then run the application python.apt like app.py and access using this server link. So if I go our project and use like this, run this project, see our project is server run successfully, and here is our link, server link. If I click here, so this is our nice and beautiful hospital management system homepage. So if I go again my report, so uh, this all our that's all our report. So actually we try to use uh, Oracle database integration and module Flask design and Bootstrap frontend and scalability and maintenance structure. And our feature work will be like user authentication, like admin patient, analytic dashboard, and report export like PDF, and email notification. Uh, In conclusion, in our hospital management system is fully functional prototype that simplify healthcare admin tasks through the base web-based data-driven approach. We learn a lot of about Flask, Oracle SQL, and team development. So if I go our project, so if I briefly demonstrate our project, we can see these are mean app.py and hospital class.py. So these are mm, we first import our flags library and uh, SQL. So after that we configure our server and Oracle database credential. So then after that, um, this is this is our patient entity and doctor entity and department entity, and all of the entities are given here. So use like this, and if I go our insert, so you can see there is a we use get and post method. So this actually work for our doctor insert or insert operation, and this actually work for doctor edit operation and doctor delete operation, and we use all of our entity like this. Mm, so this is the for patient insert, and also patient have search options, so on. So here is our hospital dot here is our readme.txt, all of our instruction given here. So you can easily read, easily run step by if you follow step by step instruction here. uh, this is our SQL uh, file. So these are patient table, doctor table, de- department table, room table, and building table, apartment table. So we also create a template for each of operation. We use lot of time for designing and integration between our Flux framework and uh, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And so you can see all of our template here: building, department, doctor, and so on. So if I go our project to demonstrate how it's work step by step, first I want to show Oracle developer software. So here is our uh, basic query for our sixth entity. So if I run patient table, we already insert some data here, and doctor table, patient table, department table, room table, and building table. Okay. So if I go our project, here you can see nice hover animation here. So it's beautiful to see and user friendly. Understand. So if I go fast and the patient management, so see this is a nice beautiful user interface. So usually we can insert a patient here, and also we can see the patient table, all of data which is already fetched from our database. So we can edit and delete also. So also we can search. So if I insert one data first, like 105 ID, patient like there's not gender, male is like 27, word like W5, status it me that. So if I insert, see our product patient ID 105, name is Devnath, add patient, see 105 is successfully inserted. So if I go my Oracle SQL, see 105 ID Devnath mail is 27 what 5 admitted is successfully inserted. So if I go who and go department management, we can also easily search and insert. So if I edit fast like this one, ID 103 cardiology department name, second floor, and Dr. Alex. So if I update the floor like fifth floor, so you can see it's show fifth floor ID 103. So if I go our database and run the department table, you can see ID 103 cardiology my fifth floor is updated successfully. So if I go again our browser, so we can also delete the, like we want to delete like ID 101 neurology department. So if I delete we can see nice notification. So if I click OK, this will be deleted successfully, and we also can cancel. So in this case I click OK for delete. You can see ID 1 successfully deleted. If I go again and run the department, see ID 1 successfully deleted. So if I go again home and room management, we can also edit like a insert like room R 105 type like AC and occupied no. You can see this table insert successfully. If I go in Oracle database room CID R105 SC, the status is no, successfully insert. If I delete some data like this one 102, it's delete successfully, and you can also see this one is delete, and we can also edit like this one is like yes. So you can see this one is it. If I go home, and we can also doctor management, so you can see and edit and delete also if, and we can also appointment schedule like appointment ID, uh, appointment ID like 503, patient ID like 1, doctor ID like 102, and date we can use speaker, nice beautiful, because we use Bootstrap and some updated framework. So if you use like 5, and appointment date like appointment time like 11 a.m. appointment, you can see our ID 103 successfully insert. If I go appointment management table in Oracle server appointment, see our data is successfully insert, and we can also delete and edit. So if I go home and building, we can also, you can create and delete. So so if I go home and go patient, we can also uh, mm, search patient using by name. If I search my name and search, you can see easily search patient. So so these are actually basic, user friendly and beautiful project. You can see our project, uh, teammate CS470G final project. And hopefully you enjoy this video, and we learn a lot of new things for this course and during this project, and you must visit our YouTube channel. I will upload this video in YouTube and uh, share in this report. Here I will include the YouTube link here, and you can easily visit our GitHub repository, and here is all instruction given, how it's work and how you will be run this. And this is our beautiful project. Hopefully you like and enjoy this video, and best uh, thank you for watching this. Bye.